question is given here, x equal to cos t plus log 10 t by 2 y equal to sin t, then find the value of d2y by dx square at t equal to pi by 4. Okay, so now given here cos t plus log 10 t by 2, because of here operator is here ct, so we will do differentiating with respect to t or x t. Okay, very good. So do here dx by dt, cos t formula is minus sin t, log this part is known as x, formula is 1 by x, that is then dy dt of this part 10 t by 2. Okay, so got here minus sin t plus 1 by 10 t by 2 into d by dt of 10 sub as a x will be sec square x, sec square x, d by 2 derivative will be d by dt of t by 2. So get here minus sin t plus 1 by 10 t by 2, here will be sec square t by 2 and half is constant, keep outside, t will be 1. So we'll get here minus sin t plus 1 by 10 means cot t by 2, here will be sec square means 1 by cos square t by 2 and half keep outside. So keep here this way, cot means cos by sin. Okay, so minus sin t, cot t by 2 means cot means cos by sin, and so cos and cos cancel, cos and cos cancel, left here 1 by 2 into sin t by 2 into cos. Again see, cot means cos by sin, cos square is here, cos and cos cancel, cos left, cos and sin. Okay, 2 into sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. We know that formula is there, 2 sin x into cos x, formula is sin 2x, so here will be minus sin t plus 1 by sin, here will be t. Okay, so do LCM here, minus sin square t plus 1 by sin t means we get here, therefore dx by dt value will be is cos square t by sin t. Okay, given this way, as value given is cos, so we'll give here dy by dt answer will be cos t. Very good, answer will be cos t. But find the value of dy dx, so dy dx value will be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This value is cos t by, and this value is cos square sin t will go up, it will be sin t by cos square t, so cancel, left here 1 cos t left, sin t by cos t means sin t by left here, got here 10 t, so dy dx value got here 10 t. Clear students, any problem? Okay, make it copy now. X value of dy by dx equal to, so we'll be again differentiating with respect to t or x, because to find the value of d2y by dx square, isn't it? Okay, respect to x we have d2y by dx. Here will be derivative of tan t is, yes, tan true, yes, sec square, yeah, very good, will be sec square t. Here see, we are differentiating respect to x, but t time present will be dt by dx. Okay, so now we'll get here d2y by dx square equal to sec dx by dt. Hold up, we do here reciprocal. Okay, so we'll get the answer will be there sin t by cos square t. Clear? Here see, we can write sec square is a 1 by cos square, so get the value of sin t by cos 4t, or you can write down sin t into sec 4t. The answer we got here. Okay, find the value of t pi by 4. Okay, replacing t to pi by 4 we get here, therefore d2y by dx x2 t value is given here pi by 4. Put the value. Sin pi by 4 value is, yes Tushar, Rima, yes Tigdha, yes, that is 1 by root 2, and this, yes, very important, sec pi by 4 value is Sushmita root 2. Very good, correct? Yes, anyone? Correct. Okay, so value will be root 2 per 4, put per 4 here. Okay, this answer will be how much? Answer is 4. Very good. So 4 by root 2 means we will get here 4 root 2 by 2. 2 answers will be 2 root. So say that d2y by dx2 at the value t equal to pi by 4 value got here 2 root 2. This is the answer. Okay, let's make it copy.